Hi everybody, welcome to So Cool TV. Here is your brother DizzyDiddy aka Dizzy Way Born Again. Let's see what's going on today. CJ So Cool is back with his family and he's just living his best life. Let's enjoy the stories right now. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Please share this video. Thank you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, Dad.
Talia crying, she's scared. Y'all got milk on the... Wow. Wow, CJ. Look at them seats, man. CJ on 32s would appreciate the stitching. Finally, my baby can crawl on the plane without everybody looking at us crazy. Let him crawl. This is a brand new plane. It's a 2021. CJ.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, you happy? Come on. Your tag is on your shirt, maybe. Your freaking tag is on your shirt. You knew that?
No.
Yeah, you did. Look at CJ, he about to fly the plane.
We could close the door.
We got those sparkles and champagne. Yes, sir. You see it, man. That's cool, nation. Oh, you bossed up? That's how you see it when you bossed up? Oh. What about you, Leon? Dang. Y'all bossed up with the Fendi on. Wait, what your lead got on? Thank you. Jevin. Mr. Jevin in the building. Yes, sir. I don't even drink. Oh, you drinking with Dede over there? Drinking a 40? Wow. You recorded me while I'm recording you, record you? I see. Yes, sir, man. Private jet lifestyle. We could have brought your mama. We had another seat left. Cordelia in the house. Nasa, how you feel, Leon? What's up? Come on, where you at? Yeah. We in the air with it, man. Yes, sir. Don't get no better. Yes, sir, man.
My ears already up. My head.
I know y'all waiting on the video, so just know when I come back, it's gonna be better than ever. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Chalita, the only one to say thank you.
I said thank you.
You copy. Swag. Private jet lifestyle is better, huh? When you grow up, you gonna be rich?
Yes.
What about you, Mark?
Yes.
What about you?
This is
Nah, I don't know about you. What about you?
I'm up on private.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Not ours.
Look at that cheek.
Oh, we'll make it.
Lamb truck. Private jet. I used to dream of this, man. Now it's reality. Hey. Yes, sir. Man, stop playing with me. Come on, Leon.
You stop playing my feelings.
It smells good in here, boy. It smell like Gucci Louis Vuitton in here,
You
boy.
should buy this car.
Hold on, you want me to buy this, baby?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You spit on my head.
DizzyDiddy.com